All right, so I'm going to be showing you a cool trick for how you can make the Galaxy S21 a little bit faster. Now, if you've never done this before, it actually works on any Samsung phone out there. What you need to do is go into your settings and you want to go all the way down to About Phone. So when you click on About Phone, you're going to see a software option. You want to tap that, and then once you get in here, you're going to see an option that says build numbers. So you want to tap this 7 or 8 times, and then you want to scroll back, and it's going to open a new option, which is called developer options. Now from in here, there's actually a lot of cool things you can do, if you want to kind of go through it. But what we're focusing on here is the window and the transition scales. So it's going to be somewhere towards the bottom, like in the middle, and it's like the window animation scales. You want to turn them off. There's 3 different ones on here. So I'm going to set it from 1 to 0. I'm going to do it 1 at a time, and then I'm going to show you basically what this does. All right, now I'm going to go back to the home screen, and when it comes to like browsing, moving your phone around, you can kind of see it's like instantaneous. So I mean, there's literally like no delay or anything like that, and it does make your phone faster. So if you go back and then you turn those animation scales back to 1, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. Now this is obviously just like a little thing you can do to make your phone a little bit faster, but like I said, there's also some cool things you can do in developer options if you've never used it before. Okay, anyways, hope that helps you guys out. If you're using an S21, I recommend checking it out. Wanted to wrap things up here, doing a little bit of that F1 mobile, you know what I'm saying? Absolutely love this game, so we're gonna get into a quick race on here. Also, if you guys could smash the like button on this video, subscribe if you haven't, and let's get into some of this gameplay.